Hey guys, it's me, Jarrett. So tonight I'm gonna react to a new chills video. 13 scary moments caught on doorbell camera. Unlike the other reactions, it's here. So after this, I'm gonna send this video to my friend Andrew, the editor, and have him edit all this out and get it sent out and processed. So yeah, um, let's get started. Also leave a like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for the 2.1 K views on my YouTube Shorts. It really means a lot from my friend group, and it really means a lot to the crew. So yeah, thank you.
Coming up in this video, doorbell cameras everywhere are capturing the previously unknown, undocumented events are now documented. From terrifying break-ins to scary stalkers to unexplained events, these are 30 scary moments caught on doorbell camera. Number 30, Good Samaritan. Not all doorbell videos involve creeps and thieves. The YouTube channel Ring shares this video of a Good Samaritan that saved a family of 10 from a house fire. While driving nearby, the woman noticed smoke and traced it back to this home in Fairfield, Ohio, where the garage inside of the house was engulfed in flames. Noting the vehicle in the driveway, she raced to the house to warn the residents, while her friend stayed in the vehicle and called 911.
Oh, yeah, this has happened to me before, but it hasn't happened like a neighbor coming up to our door. No.
She's captured knocking frantically on the door to try and warn the residents.
Your guys' garage is on fire.
Total nightmare. Yeah.
And finally, one of them comes to the door.
I'm so sorry. Your garage is on fire.
But the woman's good nature doesn't end there. Not only does she warn them, she helps run their 8 children to safety. Many in the comments praise the woman's actions, writing, "There's hope for this world still, but the family are the most grateful of all."
I'm glad this wasn't some like creepy ass stalker video.
For once, we have a feel-good doorbell moment. Number 29, Guy in red hat. Imagine arriving home and not realizing there's someone close behind you. TikToker Wade Langdon shares this video of a stalker making an attempt to break in. Watch for the guy in the red hat.
Imagine going home and there's a guy following you wearing a red hat. Oh my god.
The guy is obviously watching this woman, stalling here to see if he has a chance to slip in. And after she enters, he takes that chance.
Oh, I would have knocked his ass out. Clean.
He tries the door, but it's securely locked, so he slinks away, his evil intentions unsatisfied. Some in the comments are saying this is staged because the woman stops on the doorstep to adjust the baby's jacket, which does seem a bit odd to me.
This woman has like 3 minutes to adjust her child's jacket before this man attacks. So, yeah.
But others think this is the real deal.
Yep. That's why I got pocket knives and a baseball bat. It's because shit like this happens.
Whether staged or not, I think there's a takeaway from this video. Be aware of your surroundings. It only takes seconds for someone to destroy them. Number 28, what is happening? This video is a complete mystery to me. The YouTube channel Creepy Chronicles YT shares footage of a man who appears to be fleeing some bad people.
Oh, that's bad.
The man crashes to the ground in a hurry to get to this front door. Meanwhile, loud banging is heard. It almost sounds like shots. The woman inside is screaming, so it's unclear whether or not the man is known to her.
Let me know in the comments if I should check that channel out.
And then you can see a car peel out in the background.
Yeah, probably some like bad neighborhood shooting.
Without further context, we can't know what's going on here. But one eagle-eyed viewer says they see a round hit the brick wall out front.
I cannot imagine being in that
I see
position.
it too. This makes me think this man just escaped a life-threatening encounter. I'd like to
He
know
did.
the rest of this story, but for now it remains a mystery. Number 27, overconfident salesman. I don't know what this dude's selling, but I'm not buying it. The YouTube channel
What
Doorbell
the
News
fuck?
shares this video of one very overconfident salesman who's apparently doing his work at 10 p.m.
Who comes to someone's door at 10 o'clock at night wearing a fucking work outfit and pretending to be a company that owns things?
Yes.
Brother, you know what we're doing? Ma'am, do you know what we're doing?
No.
The guy assumes the resident knows what he's selling, like his clipboard is self-explanatory. Then he ends with this.
Let's come back another time. There's no way you're not going to be interested. Brother, I hope you have a great night.
No, don't come back here at all. 10 o'clock at night. Don't come back.
Why did he assume they'd be interested? Who knows? But some YouTubers have strong opinions about this clip.
Yeah, you can see he's got a lanyard and he's got an iPad and a clipboard.
Yes.
Brother, you know what we're doing? Ma'am, do you know what we're doing?
No.
Let's come back another time. There's no way you're not going to be interested. Brother, I hope you have a great night.
No, don't come back here at all. 10 o'clock at night. Don't come back.
Even if this guy is a legit salesman, what does he think he's doing knocking at 10 p.m.? In my opinion, he's lucky her reaction was so mild. Number 26, peak creep after hearing random knocks at night. TikToker Mary invested in a Ring doorbell to catch the perpetrator in the act. What they found is haunting.
What the fuck?
Who is this creep, and why the Joker smile?
He smiles like the fucking Wolverine showing up to your fucking house for a party.
I too hope this is fake, otherwise... My advice is to get out now, before it's too late. Number 25, brazen car thieves. It takes a truly brazen thief to take a car out of a driveway. Newsflare shares this footage of several brazen thieves in West Midlands, UK, stealing an Audi and laughing while they do it.
What the fuck are these idiots doing? They're gonna jack a car in the middle of the night and wake the neighbors up.
With one of the crew standing guard, the others do the dirty work. It's taking them some time, so the guard covers the doorbell cam to give them some privacy.
You got people sleeping and these fuckers are stealing a car at like 10 o'clock at night.
The car alarm goes off, and yet not only do the thieves not flee, but they continue to take their sweet time breaking into the vehicle.
And covering the camera lens, like that's gonna help.
The alarm finally stops as the thieves get the car started.
Oh. That is a dick move right there.
Tear off, honking the car car horn along the way. Brazen is right. They made off with a 60,000 euro car and were gleeful as they did. I could not find anything to confirm whether the thieves got away with it or not, but it appears as though the West Midlands are a target for car thefts, with more than 1,000 stolen cars recovered by the police in 2021 alone. I think it's time to invest in a high security garage. Number 24, dolled up. This visitor got all dolled up to ring the doorbell. TikToker Horror Buff shares horrifying footage of an unwanted nighttime guest on the doorstep. First, the stranger waits calmly.
That is creepy as shit.
But then this happens. The face looks somehow 10 times creepier up close.
There's no way this could be
So
a
chilling.
prank.
Although I'm sure it's just someone playing a trick on this homeowner, I think it's a cruel one, because this face would definitely induce many a nightmare to come. Number 23, car collapse. Have you ever seen a car do this? Shared by YouTube channel, oh my god, unbelievable. This bizarre footage was captured in someone's driveway.
Probably some mechanical problem or just bad at fixing or something.
I've watched this over and over again, but I have no idea what could have caused it. Did the left tire blow out with gusto? Did something hit the vehicle? Unfortunately, there's no explanation offered, so your guess is as good as mine. Number 22, lightning strike. They say lightning doesn't strike the same spot twice, and after seeing this video, let's hope that's true. The YouTube channel Doorbell Fun shares this scary footage of a lightning bolt striking too close for comfort.
It's probably some heat light. What the
The light
fuck?
stays for a moment, expanding. It almost looks like it causes a blast. I think this may just be the ionization and charging of the atmosphere surrounding the lightning bolt. Regardless, it sure is shocking. Number 21, creepy man. Why do creeps gotta get so close? TikToker MindGust shares this video of a stranger getting up close and personal with this resident's camera. First, he attempts to ring. But when there's no answer, he does this. Then, even creepier, he starts whispering.
Holy fuck.
After trying to open the door, he claims to have lost something. He
What?
says he's looking for his dog, Fido.
I thought he said he was looking for a fucking job. I was like, a job? Find yourself a job.
Fido seems like a bold-faced lie to me. Most in the comments are trying to unwrap what he's whispering.
What do I do? What?
I hear, what do I do? And my answer to him is, go away.
He sounds like a raspy man, like a guy with a raspy voice that's hardly hearable, and he's asking for a job or a dog or something. Creepy ass person, but yeah. Yeah, that was gonna be for this reaction video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you want to see more of this or different channels, I might do Mr. Ballin. Oh, don't mind this, it's my watch. But yeah, I might do Mr. Ballin some other time. The guy's videos are like 2 or 30 minutes long, but it'll do. So yeah. Peace, guys. Have a good night.